Let's dive into how to use Canva with Reachify.me. I'm currently on the edit page and there's a Canva button visible here. Clicking on it requires us to connect our Canva account by granting permission, which we do by clicking the Allow button. Once we've clicked the Allow button, our Canva account becomes directly connected. You'll now see options to create new designs or select from existing ones. For instance, I can choose a Happy New Year post and add it directly to my content. Next, I select the content format and then proceed by clicking on the Export button. Now, if we move to the preview screen, this is what it will look like. However, if any design edits are necessary before importing, I can select an image and choose the Edit in Canva option. Here, adjustments can be made, and clicking on Return to ReachifyMe sends the edited content back to ReachifyMe. Once again, you can select how you wish to export it. Now my exported image is visible. Suppose there's a need to add carousels, I would select a carousel. Proceed to the Edit section. Here is our complete carousel, and we will incorporate any change that we want to do. After completing the edits, we click Return to ReachifyMe. This adds the carousel. Remember to save the carousel in PDF format. This step is crucial, as LinkedIn only supports PDF format for carousels. Click on Export, and your carousel is attached. You can now click here to view it directly or go to the previous screen. Your carousel will be loaded here, and there it is. Your carousel is ready. That's how you can utilize your Canva designs or create new ones by simply clicking here.